Alam mo ba yung bagong release ngayon ng sapatos ng Marni X Hoka Bandy B3JS? Tara, pag-usapan natin.
Ang Marni X Hoka Bandy B3LS ay isang kakaibang collab sa pagitan ng luxury fashion at performance sneakers. Pinagsama ang avant-garde design na Marni at legendary comfort ng Hoka, creating ang stylish, chunky pair para sa fashion-forward sneakerheads. Crafted with recycled quilted nylon uppers, the B3LS is bold, breathable, and built for both comfort and looks. May 4 na kulay: Poinciana, Bracken, Tourmaline at Straw. Perfect pang flex ng personality mo, kasama pa ang 3 set of lace at dust bag, limited, luxury, and loud. Na-release ang Marni X Hoka Bandy B3LS noong April 3, 2025 sa Marni website, then wither drop noong April 4. Presyo, $395 USD. Pero dahil limited quantity, hype collab na agad. Perfect para sa mga gustong tumindig sa crowd, whether pang OOTD o pang collect.
Yan ang Marni X Hoka Bandy B3LS. Performance meets fashion, luxury meets boldness. Sulit ba? Comment below.